Hello there again. This is the last video from Brighton in Victoria and the surrounding area. It's from the caravan park we stayed at during our visit. The Weather Bureau had issued flood warnings for the Owens River and the Morses Creek due to heavy rainfall. Most of the visitors in the car park decided to leave, except us of course. We were assured by the park management that where we were located in the park that we would be fine. That turned out to be the case. It began raining on the Friday morning and that continued with small breaks over the weekend. With all this water, the rivers of course flooded, but not enough to cause any issues except up in Myrtle Ford where the Owens River closed the road. This video starts by showing you how we enter the park and where we are in the park. You have to cross a bridge over the Morses Creek, which obviously runs through the park. I've also included a couple of shots of the rain and some drone footage after the weather cleared up. This was taken a few days earlier because there were a fair few people in the park, so it looks bit busy, but as I said, it cleared out. we're at the creek. It has grown a bit, and I'm sure it will grow a bit more as it rains more over the weekend. As you can see, the embankment on the other side is fairly high, and I'm told at worst it can flood the lower campsite here where people camp. We're all the way up there where the caravan is, which is a very high point, actually probably higher than the embankment on the other side. So we're not too worried, but at least we know how to swim if need be. Well, it's Friday. Well, yesterday we had sunshine and 30 degrees. Today at 6 a.m. it started raining and it hasn't stopped since. So we're just sitting out there enjoying the rain with some Christmas music and of course having a late afternoon beer. As you can see, it's still raining and it will probably rain until tomorrow night. So there are some severe flood warnings all over the place. But we are fine. Siva having her cocoa. So we'll just have to sit it out and hopefully we won't flood.